Insects have evolved sophisticated societies that, in complexity, are the closest thing in nature to our own cities. The insects that built this structure in Argentina dominate the surrounding grasslands thanks to skills that seem almost more human than insect. It's a metropolis, a home to millions of ants. The colony needs a huge supply of food. It's surrounded by grass, but the ants themselves can't digest a blade of it. Nonetheless, they collect it. Although they're all the same species, they exist in different shapes and sizes. The heads of these big-jawed individuals are not full of brain, but brawn. They give the species its name. They are grass cutters. They work all day, every day. The smaller ants down on the ground are porters with the job of carrying the grass segments back to the colony. They have great strength. Their main problem is balance.